Everybody, this is Shawn Powell. I'm going to do something that I think a lot of y'all would really help clear up exactly how to do this. And I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is. And not only that, y'all, to let you know when I first got in Power Lead Systems, these were the landing pages I was using and was getting results with. So just because you got a default something inside of Power Lead Systems, don't think you won't get results. A good page is a good page no matter what. Recently, I made my own share code. Sorry, my kitty cat's running around. Um, Recently, I made my own share code, and in that time while I was making the videos for it, I did not make the emails for it, and so I just connected the default Powerly Systems emails, and I was really shocked to see because I like to throw leads at pages that I create, especially in the sales video, to see what kind of results I get. And I usually get on Facebook. I usually throw at least 100 leads at it. Spend about 2 days just hounding leads at it, and then what I'll do is I'll look and see what my percentages are, how many got in. Maybe listen to my people and see what they say. That's what I always do. I like to throw things out there, see what happens at the right times, learn from it, never quit. You never quit, y'all. You can only make things better, learn from it, and then go from there. That's what I do. This video, y'all, I am literally in, I'm guessing a minute flat, going to show you how to design a landing page that works with email that'll go to any page you want to go to. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything together. So let's just go and get started, y'all. So let's go, and I've got to hurry because I got a pizza about to come out. So this is gonna be a very short video. So you'll like this, y'all. This is awesome. Okay, so I'm on the getting started page. What I'm gonna do is go to capture lead pages. I'm gonna move quick because I want to show you how quick we can do this. Create a page, yes, with custom template. Yes, I do. I want them to opt in. I want to be able to collect their information. I like the one that has both. So I'm already choosing that one. Name right here is whatever I want to name it. I'm not worried about naming it. This is what shows up at the top. That's the default right here. Let's go to 1 minute uh, landing page. So LDP, that'll work. And I do want an email. Let's go down to official, just the official Power Lead Systems. There's one that's got 14. That'll work. And the sales page I want to go, y'all, you could just put in a link for a business if you like. If you didn't, for whatever business might have been part of or something like that. So I'm going to connect it to one of my new pages I've just recently collected. And you see how much time this is taking, right? Just to scroll this down, right? So just remember when I'm done in just a second. All right, so I'm not even going to go with the default. I want to change the background. We're going to go with this page. Alrighty, and let's change this. I want to go to discover amazing secret that led me to freedom. Okay, my first year, because I got free from a job in my first year. So I like to do that. That's simple. It looks good. It grabs attention. It's gonna make people wonder why. And bam, I'm done, y'all. Look at that. Here's 1 minute. The thing up here. So I'm already finished. It didn't take a minute, and it took me a little bit just to scroll through, to be honest. And I don't know if you can see at the very top or not, but it says simply the answer, so that works like it's supposed to. Let's make sure everything goes like it's supposed to. I used the word test. This is not my emails. I always make just a generic one so I know what they are. And I am literally going through to check to make sure that this works. This could have went to any page I sent it to, and bam, y'all, I've got a beautiful page that works. And I mean, that landing page will grab attention. And how long did it take me? Oh, seriously, 1 minute flat. And I was really, could have done quicker than that, to be honest. Okay. Do not get caught up in Power Lead Systems. The thing with Power Lead Systems is it's like anything. You have to do it once or twice or a few times to do it. To be honest, that's the first time I've made a default page like that in a long time. What you will learn, one of the most valuable pages for me in Power Lead Systems when you start creating pages is when I go to websites. I'm going to go to my web pages right here. All these pages right here, y'all. You see these? These are the ones I just created. I'm going to delete that one. Yes. Okay. This is the one that we just created right here. But I could easily, let's say if I wanted to take, I don't know, my sales page one right here, and I want to copy it. Let me show you how easy this is, y'all. Copy this into whatever I want to call it, new test or something. Have everything else in here is the same autoresponder email. I could do it again just like I did a few minutes ago. probably do it quicker than I did that one. Let's do the 14 email series. They are good emails, y'all. I'm not just saying that either. I was real impressed. I actually made a post talking about how well they did while I was, using them as default. So let's go to Power Lead Systems one more again. Uh, I don't have to set that. It's fine. This is not a landing page. Duh. Okay, but I do need to save this. All right, so I'm not going to change the background on that one. This is a little bit more complex. I made my own image and put in here, right? But y'all, I could easily go in here now, change this button to something else. If I wanted to change the background to another image or something like that, I could take out, whatever I want to take out, put in comments and stuff like that. And when I'm done, I'll have a very professional looking page that literally was already my own. You understand what I'm saying? A lot of y'all need to be collecting share codes. Why do you need to collect these share codes? Because you've got people that have spent sometimes a lot of money. It's got a beautiful page that works. Why would you not want to use that? And it's so easy, y'all, to literally come up here, click on this image, um, put in another link to whatever you want to do, and then make sure that the size is like you want it. And bam, you don't think one page in the background don't entirely change everything? It does. It really, really does. It'll be an entire different, in different page. Um, that's really it, y'all. It's so simple. But in my opinion, if there's anything you need to really learn, it's how to make buttons. Something simple like that, how to make buttons. I used to Dub Button Factory, and every time when I make my buttons at the Button Factory, what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot that lets me see all the settings I had so that I don't have to guess. Let's say if I needed to remake this a different one or something like that. And I'm trying, and there's so many different color combinations, so many different sizes. You're guessing, and though it may look good on that page, time you put them beside each other, they'll stand out like a sore thumb. And you want to have the exact same one. So in my opinion, if you take a screenshot while you create it, then you won't ever have that problem. And that's exactly what I do, y'all. I'll show you real quick, matter of fact. Let's go to, I think it's debuted. Let me see, I don't know if I can type in button. Okay, it might be under pictures. There it is. Okay, let me show you this. This is what the button factory looks like, right? So what I do is I take a screenshot, and now all these settings that you may see here and here and here, I've got them saved now. So I can make as many buttons as I like without it ever being an issue. Let me see how many downloads. Let me type in the word button. You'll see how many buttons I do. A lot of times while I'm there, I'll go ahead and make a lot of different buttons, a lot that I don't even need at that moment, just because I'm used to using these buttons. Like get set up, enroll now, my Facebook group, Shawn's Facebook group, action taker success group, things of that nature. I might put a one in front of it. I might not put a one in front of it, things like that. Sometimes I will just go ahead and make a couple of buttons because everything is set there for me to do it and it's easy for me to do it. So that's a pretty good tip also. Plus, if you notice, I have these buttons in red and I then decided that I like the blue one better. So what did I do? I went ahead and swapped it out because I thought the blue just matched the color combinations with the yellows and the golds and the blues. It's just nice colors. Once you learn how to make buttons, y'all, and get things to start going to your pages, you are going to look like some kind of freaking professional, and it's not hard. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to put a whole lot of content up there. It makes it too busy. So I've learned one of my hardest things to teach myself is less is more when it comes to landing page sales pages. You understand what I'm saying? So even though in the past I have put a lot of information in here, I really harness myself to hold myself back to make sure that I don't go too heavy on my pages. You see what I'm saying? A good landing page, a good sales page, just let it be done. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to stand by itself, and you're going to have something that's going to grab attention. You know what I'm saying? I want this because I want people to have the ability to feel like they're connecting with people, and these people love Power Lead Systems. And I want people to come in here and leave a comment, or something like that, and they're going to be connected with people. Every Wednesday, every Thursday at the webinars, I got them both right here. The facts, it shows them information, everything about how this is paid, how people, the whole system, how everything works. Yet there's so much information here and so much usefulness here, yet it doesn't look cluttered. You know what I'm saying? Um, if I didn't have this here, what I would probably have would be a picture of me and my little boy sitting down here in the bottom and telling them, if y'all really love, I really love this business, y'all really need to connect with us, blah blah blah. Take a chance to take a look at this business, see what it's about. Get in the Facebook group. I would probably have some kind of one or two lines over there so people got a chance to connect directly to me. I do suggest to people that when they make landing pages and sales pages, even if they're using a share code, still put you in it. You know what I'm saying? Let me give you a good example of what that would look like here. Okay, that's the webinars right there. Okay, I'm just going to have to click on one and get to it. So it says, see the landing pages, right? What I did was, let me clear this. Okay, what I did was I made pictures of every landing page I've got inside of my sales funnel so that people can get a chance to see what it looks like, right? And then I've got it titled so that when they go to Power Lead Systems, it's easier for you when I put in a share code than it is for me with my own share code. It is so easy. All you gotta do is click a button and you're done. It's on cruise control. Just put in the domain, subdomain that you like, and you're done. But if you notice, now I did make a couple of these with nobody in it. The reason why I did that is because if somebody wants to not have someone in it, here they are. And I like these. These are actually, I made every one of these. There's my own ideas. You could build a time machine and go back and get an almanac from the future, or just click this link. 88 miles per hour is still first gear for us. What the hell is a gigawatt? It's got a little bit of style to it. I found these pictures that an artist made, and they're not real, but he fabricated and put it in. There's absolutely, they're really good pages. You can figure out the whole 1.21 gigawatt thing, still the almanac from the future, I guess, or just click this link. We specialize in gigawatts here. What the hell is a gigawatt? It's a little bit of, most people know what Back to the Future is, and so that's why I like to use that. These are really beautiful pages. They're really soft images, in the background. So I like to use both of those. I noticed that a lot of my seniors have a tendency to pick these. So that's good because I want variety. You know what I'm saying? But if you notice, y'all, I'm in most of these pictures and images. And if you notice, there's no cartoon character. There's no, all this wild stuff jumping on the screen. Now, in my sales page, I do a lot of graphical stuff. But the combination of them connecting with someone in the landing page, a real person, and then what y'all don't know is in my sales page, there's a lot of personality in there. Almost, I would say 1/3 of it is for people connecting to me. Now, I want them to connect with you. How do you do that, y'all? Using my sales page. And if you wanted to put your image down here in the bottom, if you want to take this out and just put a picture of you with a couple of comments from you telling them to friend you on Facebook and make a button right there for y'all or something, that's great, y'all. I want y'all to make things work for you. We benefit by our downline benefiting, and I want you to make it. You understand what I'm saying? So of course use these things. That's what I did, That's what I did. I studied other people's pages. Some people spend $8,000 making share codes, and all I got to do is go inside of it, change some backgrounds, put some buttons up there, studied what made it so effective, to be honest, and then put in the video. This video right here, y'all, the first minute is with me introducing me and my little boy and hoping that they, really enjoy the business. And if they don't, go somewhere, find a business you believe in and make it work. Okay? So I'm not telling them not to do it. I'm just telling them I hope you make it in something, whatever it is. If that's not for you, that's fine. Then from the next 12 minutes is me explaining all of Power Lead Systems in my own words, showing my proof of incomes, using a lot of graphical things to help illustrate it for them that nobody else uses. My cat's in heat. She thinks I'm talking to her. And then for the last 6 minutes or 7 minutes, I think 6 or 7 minutes, Bunny Cat, gotta be quiet, baby, okay? Next 6 or 7 minutes is about me talking about what freedom is for me and my little boy. So, why am I doing this? Because if you're not ready and you haven't made a landing page, you can take one of my landing pages right here, y'all, and copy it if you wanted to. Initially, you do want to brand yourself, y'all. You do want to put you in your own landing page, sales pages. I mean, especially landing pages. You can tell people what you think about your business. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Okay? Don't let the cat out of the bag. Keep it real simple. Tell them, hey, look, y'all, I found something I'm really excited about. And they're not looking for perfection either, y'all. A 2 minute video, you're talking about what you want, what you think about your business. They get a chance to connect with you. What I learned is you get a lot more real emails in the process. Okay? Now, how valuable is that? If 1 out of every 4 people wind up putting their email in there because they connected with you directly before they go into a sales funnel, and then maybe on the sales funnel see a picture of you at the bottom, how much are they connecting to you? You may not be you in the sales video, but it doesn't matter. Look at how much they're connecting with you. What I'm doing is I'm filling in the gaps until hopefully one day you're ready to do exactly what I'm just doing. And use my pages, y'all. I don't give a damn. If you take your image and put in here and say, this is me, I'll be smiling from ear to ear, y'all. One of the most beneficial things you can do is to copy someone else, to show them how well you're doing. And I see that a lot. So I'm going to have to end the show. We're going to burn a pizza if I don't. I hope you enjoyed Power Lead Systems, y'all. Don't look at some dark fog that's around you. It's a simple, simple business. I showed you how quick you can make landing pages that are effective and get this done, y'all. Click the link down below. Go ahead and go gold. Go ahead and go diamond. You got to get all in. You're going to be giving money away to me, and I don't want you to be doing that. This is your money. All right, appreciate y'all.